Hi guys, I received this bag full of beautiful flower nose products as a gift from my husband, and I really wanted to share the unboxing with you guys. I was going to shoot this as a short video, and that's why the camera angles sometimes look a bit weird, and also why I'm doing this with a voiceover instead of a live recording. But there's really a lot of products, and I did want to give some input on what the products look like and just share my thoughts and feelings about the products so far. So let's just hop right into the video. This is such a cute bag. I'm hoping to use this as my travel bag. It has Velcro pockets on the inside, so you can remove the separate bags on the inside and just stick them back in. Just some standard powder puffs. I like the way they packed this with all the stickers and the little thank you card that they added. It's really very pretty presentation. I'm really excited about this hand mirror. I don't have any mirrors other than the ones attached to a makeup palette. So when I saw this, I really liked it because it was something that I needed. This blush brush is so pretty. I'm not sure how the quality would be. I'll have to test that out first, but I think this is very pretty. So now for my favorite part, these eyeshadow palettes. I think this purpley color is probably my favorite of all of them. You know how I feel about purple and lavendery colors and pinks, so I just love it. I think this palette is a stunning palette for a quick, more natural or more nude day type of thing, and everyday wear, and I really like these colors. Another more natural palette, it's got a bit more of a rosy shift in the eyeshadow palette, but the packaging itself, it's so pretty. I just love it. I think the color story in this palette must be my second favorite of the color stories. I really like that blue color. I'm hoping that it has at least some base to that middle shimmery blue color, because I think that can be a really beautiful color. I'm intrigued by the color story of this palette. The minty green and the pinky color is kind of interesting to me. I haven't used those colors together in an eyeshadow look before, so I think that can be something new and pretty to try out. I'm excited to try out the formula on these powders. This is the lightest one of the two. I think that would probably be more of a highlight shade for me and work better under the eyes and everywhere I want a bit more brightness. Whereas the other color is a bit more, this color, it's a bit more, not really very noticeable on the video, but it is a bit deeper, so that would rather be used as an all over face powder for me. I don't think it's too deep though. I think it's a bit deeper than the other color, and I'm sure I would be able to wear it all year around. If it is a bit deep, I'll probably end up wearing it more in the summer, but I don't think it will get to that point where I won't wear it. Another adorable hand mirror. I'm so excited about these. I can actually keep one in my makeup room and one in my bathroom and always have hand mirrors with me. Just a cute little rose gold hair clip. I'll still see how often I wear it. I don't know how well it will grip in my hair because my hair is very thick, but we'll see. And there we go. That's everything I received. I think it's a very beautiful collection. I love the packaging. It's sturdy and you can feel it's not cheap plastic. It's proper, decent quality packaging. I can't say much about the quality of the product yet. I will do some swatches on some shorts or something, and I will do a tutorial with each of these beautiful eyeshadow palettes, and I will give some feedback on each of those and the quality of those in each of those tutorial videos. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep watching my channel if you want to see the tutorials, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!